Well guys, this is going to be quite the adventure. We got 11.5-hour drive to Roseville, California for the next RZR rebuild. It's about 11.5 hours away. We got our boy Dom's single axle trailer over here. We're at the gas station filling up now. About to go pick up Trev and then we're going to cruise out. Should be a fun one. Well, the road trip is officially starting. 9:40 p.m. Got the sidekick Trev coming in now. Trev, what are the vibes for this trip?
We're gonna start with a nap, and then we're gonna
take over in the morning?
Yeah.
All right, I'd love to hear it. Well, we're in California. It's about 2 a.m. Trev just
woke up.
Trev just opened his eyes for the first time this trip. Just got dicked on by gas prices. The old F-150's getting shitty gas mileage, but whatever. We got about 7 hours left on our drive. Got some snackies and whatnot. I'm gonna go do a few laps in this parking lot before I get back in. Still out here grinding. About 6 hours left. Got our boy Trev chilling over here, getting ready for shift number 2. Well, it's officially morning, 5:45. We're making the switch. We got Big Trev driving now. I'm gonna take a little nap.
Get this.
Ladies and gents, we are officially in Roseville, California. Oh, it's his wife in the Tesla. Yeah, this one. Officially here, ladies and gentlemen.
A long 14 hours.
Yeah, very long. And the newest build. Well, we got her strapped down. About to start our 13-hour drive home, baby. Looking good. We're all loaded. We got Trev doing the discount job, loading up the tires with some more air. And then we're gonna be cruising back to Temecula and we might be spending the night with my parents. They got an Airbnb out there, partying with the cousins and the uncles and stuff, so should be good. Beautiful drive home. What shows this guy right now? Fat chilling over there. Not a worry in the world. Just if we're gonna hit a speed bump big enough to wake him up. That's all he's worried about. Hey, check out the rearview mirror. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, and the garage guy's sticking. Damn. That's a good angle right there. 20 minutes away from our destination and small bladder Trev's gotta take a piss. I mean, dang it. Right there. Dude, what a... Come on! Hey, see it's still in drive? Look, let's give him a little nudge. Man, I'm tired of this stuff. Oh, look at that nice 13 miles per gallon. Only filled up about 18 times. Well, we just hit 20 hours driving. We are currently in Temecula with my parents. This is their crib. Let's go check it out, Trev. They hooked us up with some beers right when we got here. My back doesn't move anymore. Check out this house, guys. Got a massive living room. Trev's sleeping. But check out this kitchen. Oh, hello, baby. Sweet little table. Check out this backyard. Boom. Nice patio. Our own little winery. Another patio, another patio. We got the hot tub and the pool over there. Got the side shed, and then just over that hill down there, there's another huge garage, and then a guest house. And yeah, check out all the neighbors, man. Everyone has their own wineries. It's sweet. Well, we had a good night of sleep. We got a nice shower in. Back on the road. Got 5.5 more hours. We can get this baby off the trailer. Get some parts ordered, do a little walk around. We'll let you guys know what's all wrong with it. We still don't really know. We looked at it last night, but it was dark. Let's cruise it. Been on the road for 10 minutes and Trev already made us stop to pee. Well, we finally got the rig back home and in the garage. On the way home, we had a sweet little find actually on the old Facebook. We took out the old sucky white seats and picked up these bad boys. Woohoo! Really changed the look of the car. Matched perfect. And we changed them out because 2 of the seat bases were broke over here. And this guy was selling 4 seats, 2 with seat bases. So we got the whole set now. But now we're going to give you guys a little look at the damage and kind of talk about what all needs replaced. As you can see right off the bat, another front end hit, just like the other 2. If you're looking down in here, see the frame has been bent very bad. And also over here, you can see it's cracked. It's tweaked all over actually. It's another big hit over here on the frame. So, of course, we're gonna be getting a frame ordered up. You can also see the brake line snapped. So we're gonna be getting a new brake line. The guys had already replaced one of the arms because it was totally snapped off. If you check out all these other arms, you can see little stress cracks and stress fractures everywhere. So it's gonna be getting a fresh set of UTV, Super ATV arms. Gonna get those ordered up. We obviously need a new front fascia. It's all cracked and broke. The light actually looks like it's gonna be in good condition to reuse. No issues here, which is really good news. Saves us like about $100. The radiator cracked in multiple spots, so we're gonna be getting a new one of those. Some new brackets that hold the radiator in, and these front plastics, just because they're all tweaked and stuff. On the 1000, we had the same issues and we rebent them, but they're so cheap that it's not really worth our time, and I don't want to have to figure out where exactly that plastic needs to go to not like have any weird stress on it. So we're just gonna replace those. Other than that, car's looking banger. You guys are gonna want to subscribe because soon we're gonna be getting some sweet GarageGuys door bags. And yeah, we're gonna be giving a few pairs away, so you're gonna want to be subscribed for that. Oh, the other thing we have to buy is the steering or rack and pinion. See, it's all broke right there. So this wheel just kind of moves freely right now, so it's a pain in the butt to move. So once we get that replaced, then we can pull it out and get all the sand out of here. There's sand everywhere. All up in there. Back seat full of sand. Jeez, you can see the old seat base where that one fell out. We're also going to throw a turbo S cage on it, just because if we want to put a 4-point harness system in here, and this old cage, the turbo S cage has another bar that comes around here that works out perfect for a harness setup, and we can find one pretty cheap online. Rear end, everything seems to be all right. No issues, all the lights work. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and get all this ordered up with our parts guy, and then I'm sure you guys will be seeing when we get the parts finally.